welcome back. This is Maya, and for today I will be doing this fresh, easy makeup everyday look. So this look is good for my working girls out there who doesn't have time to do their makeup every day but still want to look cute. So yeah, just keep on watching. What I'm gonna do first is put my SPF, and this is the NEUTROGENA Ultra Sheer Fluid in SPF 50. This is very important. We have to make sure that we put SPF every day. It's summer here in Sydney. It's really hot all the time and we want to protect our skin. So I'm using this as a primer as well. There you go. Don't forget your neck. Okay, so for the foundation, I will be using the new REVLON PhotoReady Candid foundation, and this is in the shade 330. This is very lightweight and really easy to use. Okay, let's just put this in the place that we need coverage. So this foundation is very lightweight and you can use it every day even if it's hot or humid outside. It doesn't have that sticky feeling and it's very blendable as well, so you can add more if you want more coverage. So after foundation, I'm just going to be covering the dark spots of my face, and I will be using my favorite concealer, and that's the Maybelline Age Rewind concealer, and I am in the shade medium. Okay, so if you have an oily skin like me, I suggest that you set your face with a powder. So I'm going to be using the Maybelline Fit Me powder in the shade 120. I'm just going to lightly dab it to my face because I don't want extra coverage. I just want it light. Alright, for the next step, I will be using the NEUTROGENA Lip and Cheek Tint. You can definitely skip this step if you want to, but I like using tint for my blush because I want to keep my blush on the whole day and make sure it doesn't fade. I'm using my beauty blender, by the way, because I don't want it to be messy if I use my fingers. Okay, I'm done with the blush. So the next one would be the eyebrows, and for this one I will be using the one from xoxo. It's called Curve Definer Eyebrow Powder. And we don't have to define our brows that much. Just have to fill in the patches and the gap. Okay, we're done with the brows, and the next step will be eyeshadow. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get my cheek tint again, but this is in the shade Beach Glow, still with NEUTROGENA, and I'm gonna use this sponge applicator from Real Techniques and use this as the base of my eyeshadow. Now that I have this tint as my base for my eyeshadow, I'm gonna move on to the real eyeshadow. I will be using this eyeshadow that I got from the Philippines. This is from the SM department store, and this brand is called Pinky's Collection. And it's this really good, cute pink, peachy color. And I just use it all over my eyelid. So I like using peach tones as my eyeshadow because it actually makes my eyes look awake. You know what I mean? Right. Just apply it all over your eyelid. And there you go. That's it for the eyeshadow. Okay, moving on. So I will be now doing my eyeliner. So you can actually skip this step if you want to. That's really okay. But I'll be using my Maybelline Hyper Sharp Wing Eyeliner. And I'm just gonna create a very simple, small wing eyeliner for this look. And the next step would be this Essence Kajal pencil. I'm just gonna line my waterline and tightline. So now I'm gonna move on to contour, and I will be using my favorite Makeup Revolution London in Ultra Sculpt and Contour Kit, and this is in shade Ultra Fair. And let's just lightly contour our face. And let's contour our nose. Next step would be the blush. So I know we've already put on some cheek tint earlier, but to set it in place and make sure it's not gonna fade away, I'm gonna use a powder blush as well, and this is from e.l.f. This is their new primer infused blush. I will now move on to the mascara. I will also use this as my brow gel. I'm using now the Essence Super Curl Mascara. And just make sure that once you use it, you remove the excess by wiping it at the back of your hand, like that. For the highlighter, I will be using the Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter, and this is in the shade Molten Rose Gold. I'm just gonna use my fingers for this one. Alright, so I use a different highlighter for my eyes. I got this from Essence, and this is their holographic eyeshadow highlighter, I think. And this is what I'm gonna use for here. And now for the lips, I'm gonna be using the NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream. I don't know what shade this is, but I'm just gonna put it down below. This is a really good peachy nude color. Alright, so after that, I will just put a bit of red in the middle, and this is the Maybelline Matte Lipstick in Divine Wine. I'll just put this in the middle of my lips. To create that ombre effect. Okay, so I'm just gonna curl my lashes. Alright, we're almost done with this look. I will just need to set my face with this Maybelline Lasting Fix. And that's it. This is not the final look. This is very easy and very simple and very affordable as well. All the products that I use are all drugstore makeup. Guys, I hope you like this fresh, simple, everyday makeup look that I did. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye!